Hey, what is going on YouTube? Today I got some Tactical Masters and Phantom Nightmare. I got 9 blisters of Phantom and 3 blisters of Tactical. Only reason why I got Tactical instead of 3 more Phantoms is because these were the last 3 Tactical Masters on the shelf. So, you know, the lucky 3. Hopefully we pull a collector's rare out of there. And Phantom Nightmare, I hope we get a QCR. That would be sweet. But let's get right into this. First pack of Tactical. Hoping to really get something good here. Last couple Yu-Gi-Oh videos hasn't been the greatest. Got Evacuation Device, V-Lance Archer, and Archfiend's Ghastly Glitch. Hopefully, if we don't pull anything, at least get a Drolin Lockbird. Better than nothing. Alright, we have Bear Blocker, V-Lance Mad. We have Guinness's Grand Duke, Scapegoat, Lambert Cocklock, Voltage, Reckless Greed. I had to look back at that name. That's what it says. It says, where is it? Co-Clock. Okay. Coup-Clock. Coup-Clock. Okay. Yeah, I said that wrong. Guess it all depends on how you pronounce it, I guess. I don't know. Well, I knew that first time I said it, that was not right at all. We got V-Lance Ninja and Runic Freezing Curses. Okay, so we got nothing out of there. Not even a Drolin Lockbird Senate Switch, but I do like rares. That's the one good thing about those sets, is that it's nothing but rares. Alright, first pack of Phantom Nightmare. We need this set to make up for everything that I pulled. Alright. We got Materialization. Ashen for Eternity. Got the Royal Rhino. Ages of Stars and Frost. And we got a Raid Raptor Brave Strikes. That's the ultra rare. Super rare, I mean. Radiance of the Voiceless Voice. Alright, come on. This isn't looking too good. Man, that feels like a thick pack right there. Okay, we got Summoning Beast. That is a weird looking monster right there. 0 attack and 0 defense. You contribute this card, add 1 Uria, Lord of Searing Flames, Hammond Lord, okay. So you get the Phantom Beast from your deck or graveyard to your hand. Then you can special summon 1 level 10 Pyro. That is crazy. Ignoring its summoning condition. Okay, that's a little OP. Master of Ham. We got Golem. The T-Jar. We have Raid Raptor Bloom Vulture. We got Blend, Moki Moko, Berserk Archfiend, and Flock Together. Man, that pack feels thick too. Guess it's something about Target blisters, man. I don't know. We got Goblin Biker Grand, XYZ Force, Dark Guardian, Three-Eyed Ghost, and we have Nightmare Pain. E-Stranger Big Bang. He should have been a holo for real. Or a QCR or something. That's a pretty cool looking guy right there. Illusionist. Eternal Favorite. 6 packs. 6 packs left. Come on, QCR. Give me something. Give me something. We got materialization. Three-eyed ghost. Time reloader. Aroma healing. Okay, we got white sardine. Berserk archfiend. Blend. Mocha Moco. It's gonna be that last pack magic. We got Dark Element. Phantasm Summoning Beast. Master of Ham. White Aurora. We got Rise Rank Up Magic. Raid Raptors Force. Okay. Okay. We got the messed up Karibo. Yeah, so far this ain't looking too good. That's what the chances you take with opening blisters. A Shin for Eternity. XYZ Force. We got the Ashen City. Alright. The Bistic Potato. Alright, 3 blisters left. We have not pulled a single thing. Not a single thing right now. Oh, I thought that was something. You got T-Jar, White Sunfish, Voiceless Voice, Golem, King of the Ashen City. Super rare. That damn Mocha Moco flocked together. Come on, last pack magic. We got one more blister after this. Man, no QCR. We got Mature Chronicle, Raid Raptor, Ages of Stars and Frost, Wall of the Imperial Tomb. I didn't even know this card existed. Alright, got a little white dot right there. Got Goblin's Crazy Beast, Sorcerer of Zebek. And last pack magic. Come on. Give me something. Just one thing. One thing. Alright. We got Materialization. Ashen for Eternity. Royal Rhino. Okay, and we got Magnolia. She looks pretty cool. We'll take it. We'll take it. We got Fish Lamp. And that was it. Man, that was kind of bad. But I know my next Yu-Gi-Oh video, which I'll be doing a Pokemon one after this probably. Actually, I might do it after this. I don't know just yet. But it will be a booster box. So switching things up a little bit. Get rid of the blisters for a little bit of time because the prices of blisters are crazy. But also blisters have been extremely hard to find in my stores. I mean, I don't know what's going on right now, but scalpers have been scalping every Walmart and Target in damn near a 30-mile radius of my house. There's no One Piece, there's no Dragon Ball, there's no Digimon, there's barely any Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! You'll get lucky and find like 6 or 7 blisters on the shelf, but then if you look on Facebook Marketplace, I mean, you got people selling 10 blister packs of Yu-Gi-Oh! Or 10 blister packs of Pokemon and trying to sell them for $150 for 10 blister packs. I mean, it's starting to get a little bit out of hand, and there's a huge shortage right now. So for the time being, I'll be opening some booster boxes, and unless I run into some blisters at the store like I did today, but literally there was only like 4 Phantom Nightmare blisters left on the shelf, and I literally just left them there just because I got the Tactical Masters, and you know, I don't like buying the last of everything, so let somebody else get a chance, and I thought that maybe 12 or 13 blisters was enough. But apparently I left all the hits in those last 4 blisters, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyways, I see y'all in my next video. I appreciate y'all for watching. See you in the next one.